Hi, ladies.
Hi,
Welcome.
Hi, Lena.
I'm here with Kamila and Beata from Poland, and we are just giving some information out about EMT, energetic manual therapy, my access specialty class for bodies. And you guys had some questions for me?
yes, we do. Actually, we are so happy that you are coming to Poland to do this class. And this is not the first time. And we know that it makes like wonders and miracles. And we wanted to ask you, could you tell us about EMT? What is it?
Well, in just a few words, it's tricky, but I will do my best. It's therapy, manual therapy, hands-on therapy, full of access tools. It's an access consciousness specialty class. So being in the question with bodies, asking questions of bodies, energetically being aware of bodies in a different ways, and some really, really wonderful manual therapy, hands-on skills you get to learn to work with bodies, targeting the body's fascial system, the fascia, the connective tissue of the body. But it's really the whole body because your whole body is connective tissue. It's everywhere. So we're working on the entire body and increasing your awareness of bodies and how they can change, what they can change, how you can be aware of that, how you can contribute to what they're asking for, so you can create different possibilities. There are no prerequisites. You do not need to be a medical professional or a body worker to do this. The skills are accessible to anybody to do them. You just, an interest with bodies or an interest in changing your bodies is really the main prerequisite. Is that you like bodies or want to like bodies. You don't even have to like them yet. You'll like them more afterwards. And the change can be really phenomenal. And it's like taking the solidity that you have in the solidity over time or with injuries or points of views, really points of views. We can solidify our body's connective tissue fascial system down, or just the whole body can become kind of shrunken and solidified. And this allows it to melt and create more space and more movements available, stronger after the class, pains disappear. Just magical changes happen with such ease that I actually kind of forget that it's magical to people because it's so much a part of what I do. So that's kind of EMT. I don't know if you guys want to add, you've both taken the class in Poland last year, and I don't know if there's something you would add about that.
I can only say that this is magic, really. I never expected that body can change so easily, so quickly, and in totally, in totally weird way, I can say.
I like that. It is weird. Yeah.
Yes, because we don't use any pressure with working with fascia. Rather, we are present and asking the question, and the body is totally showing us something incredible. Wow, this is the magic. You were in Poland 1 year ago, and that was only level foundation from EMT. I'm so curious about the artistry. So maybe you can say something about fundamentals and artistry.
So the fundamentals is that you're getting these fundamentals of manual therapy, working with the connective tissue with the question, and you're starting to become aware of how the body is the guide. Like the body is the boss in these sessions. You aren't doing to the body, you're creating with the body.
Yeah.
And there's this class, the work I'm facilitating and showing you came from my years of teaching the 3-day body class, which is these energetic body processes. There's like 60 of them in the class. I've been teaching that for about 12 years. And the physical therapy work, some of the modalities that I'd been trained in, and what the bodies have shown me over the years. So adding the energetic body processes that have developed by Dr. Dane here and Gary Douglas to my physical therapy practice started changing my body work dramatically, and adding the question in and getting that the body knows what it wants to change, and it can tell you if you're willing to listen. So you learn these fundamental skills and this kind of idea that's often really new to people, that the body that you're working with has awareness and can guide you in what it wants to change, and you're not forcing on it or forcing it to change. And then you get the fundamentals of that in the fundamentals class. And then artistry is when you start to become an artist with the work. You start to beginning, like you have this palette of skills and possibilities with bodies, and you put them together to start to create greater magic, more possibilities. And that's what people that have taken the class said, is that they were really able to take what they learned in the first class and really apply it differently. And we, you know, there's more skills we learn. And there's a lot more, there's not a lot more, you get to work more independently, maybe I could say, in the artistry class, because you already have the basics down. That part I don't have to speak to, and there's a lot more play and more fun in that ability to start to use the stuff you've learned in a different way. So that's why I call it
What is also beautiful, what is also awesome about those classes, there are manuals for the fundamentals, the
yes.
first 3 days, and then artistry. So it's already written and it's already translated into Polish, for example. And I know that there are other languages which those manuals are translated for. So Klena, you are coming to Poland. You are coming to Poland on the 26th of January to Warsaw. Yes, we can't wait. So we are starting with the artistry. We are starting, sorry, with the fundamentals, 26, 27, 28, 3 days of, and then we're doing the artistry 29, 30, and 31st of January. So 6 days with those amazing processes, and my body is just so excited, and it's so magical, really.
Yeah, I'm excited to come too. Tickets booked, ready to come, love coming to Poland. And yes, the manual is translated in Poland and German and Spanish and French. There's a lot of different languages we have had it translated into. So if you speak those languages and you want to come to Poland, you are welcome. And I do have a class in Germany coming up too, if you can't make it to Poland. I'm going to be in Cologne right after. So I'm having a little EMT tour. But artistry is only in Poland. That's the only artistry class I have scheduled so far this year, is the Poland class.
How did we get?
Yes. So if any of you have the fundamentals and would like to upgrade this work, please come to Warsaw, to Poland, and play with us with the bodies, please.
Yes, bodies are happy. And what does it take for them to be even happier? What else is possible with bodies we haven't imagined? All right, ladies, so nice to talk to you. I'll see you in like less than 2 weeks, I think. 2 weeks, 10 days. Yeah, okay. Mwah. Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye.